Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday and August the 12th, another day in paradise. Glad you're joining me this morning. And we have a great class today called Be the CEO of Your Life. You can sign up until 9:30 if you haven't done it already. Oh dear, where are my earplugs are gone. Uh-oh, hold on, please. Hold, please. Oh boy, I actually put up today, let's see, I want to make sure you can hear me. Always in a hurry, Ruthie, always in a hurry. Okay, let me make a check here to see if everybody can hear me. Da-da-da-da. Okay. Always in a hurry, Ruthie. Okay, here we go. We're live now. Great. Okay, so let me turn it down. Okay, so 405,000 is the median price, and I finally put that up there. You know, I have been waiting, and I finally did it. So it went down to 400,000 for a couple days, and then it went back up. So let me find my thing here. Sometimes I don't know. Come on, Facebook. No. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Hi, everybody. So finally, I did this, and I want to show this to you in the stream here. Let me put it up here. So this I ran this morning, so it's very timely. The median price is 405. And it's the 12th day, so we're almost to the midpoint of August, so we'll see what happens. But it looks like a lot of homes are selling, so it's putting that price back up there. We have 26 days of inventory, so we were approaching 27, but now we're going back to 25 probably. It'll probably be 25 soon. And let's see. Hang on, let me get the, oops. Cancel that for a second. Get something here for you. Yeah, let me hide that. We had 26 yesterday, but it's gone up. So hold on just a second. I seem scattered today. I probably am. There we go. Okay. All right. So it's getting down almost to 25. It's 26.1. So it'll probably dip to 25 probably by Monday. Anyway, you have listed 106 total homes, but only 82 single family homes. And that brings our single family homes down to 3292, which only 40 of the homes you listed yesterday were under 400,000. And that's a total of 1,014 single family homes under 400,000. So Jimmy's here. Let's bring Jimmy on. Jimmy. Good morning, Jimmy. Whoops, where'd you go?
Good morning. Good morning. I'm not ignoring you. Kane's dialing me into the class, what he has saved up. So I'm going to mute myself for a few minutes till he's done with me, and then I'll turn back on.
Jimmy, would you tell him that the updated PowerPoint, did he get? Okay.
Yeah, he's got it. He's right here. He heard you.
Okay. All right. Mute yourself, and I'll carry on. So anyway, Jimmy and I are teaching the Be the CEO of Your Life class today. You can sign up in the next 20 minutes and Zoom in because it's an awesome class. It's so much information that you can take away from it. Hopefully you take away, 3 to 4 things that you can add to your business plan to increase your business for the next 17 months. We've got that I think we have 17 months until things get a little, that things change. Let me put it like that, because I don't know exactly how they're going to change. And then at the bottom here of the sheet, everybody, I did a 3% with 400,000, 10% down, and the payment with taxes and insurance, principal and interest is $1,846. And that is still competitive with the rents. At our property management company, we can't keep properties. I mean, as soon as we put them up there, they get rented. And so everybody, be aware of that. If you want to reach out, I've got people that are reaching out to me knowing that we do have a property management business and saying, look, if this comes online, I need a 2-bedroom condo around this price. And if you can let me know if you have anything coming up. So now what's happening, everybody, in the rental business, people are renewing their leases because they know they have no choices. Now that's good for the owners, good for the business, but the people coming into town, gee, do you think you might want to get some non-owner occupied investors listings? I would think so. So, and you can target that market easily if you understand Facebook and, well, mainly Facebook. That's where you can get most of them. So the $1 million homes are still selling about 4.5 a day versus last year 1 3/4 a day. So that hasn't changed. I updated the home equity gain with the 405,000, which means if you bought a home in January, you've gained 40,000 in equity already. That's amazing, absolutely amazing. Oh, there's Frank. Good morning, Frank. Hold, please. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is a beautiful morning. And good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Facebook user. So we still are doing about 42.8 sales, let's say 43 sales to investors every day. So that is good news because we have people moving here. 130 people move here every day and they need a place to live. So the fact that investors are becoming into the market at that speed is good, as those numbers are good. So I don't see anything bad about our market right now. I think it's probably tough when it comes to getting your offers accepted, but believe me, I have seen a down market, and I'll take these challenges every day over not having any challenges, right? So it's not bad.